Hey guys, what's up? Welcome if you're new. And I'm new. I have two crazy kids. This is Jake. Aubrey's over here on the counter eating a fruit roll-up with her headband halfway on. Anyway, for 20 days straight in the month of August, and in the intro of this deal, I kept saying September because I did an intro video, and that was yesterday. But for 20 days straight, we're gonna organize and get my house in order. Some people might think that it's clean and organized. Well, if you look and open a drawer, it is definitely not. Today, we're gonna be working on the fridge and my freezer, hence why I'm standing in front of them. If you're wondering why my oven isn't on, the girl that babysitted my kids the other day, she watches my YouTube videos. Well, she's a subscriber. I don't know if she'll watch this one, but I see you. And Hunter, I see you. Anyway, we were like way down in Arkansas, and she texted my sister and was like, the oven won't shut off, and I guess that the oven was smoking, and yeah, so they had to turn the breaker off for my oven. Yeah, and I just went to turn it back on, and it won't shut off. Like the heating unit in it won't, like, just constantly runs. So I get what she's saying about. I just need to tell my landlord about that, and also about Jake's toilet. But Hunter, quit that. I just took his cone off, so he's like making up for lost time of not grooming himself. And if you're new, I also have 3 Shibas. This is Paisley. Hunter and Sky is over here sleeping. These are my little babies. I have them, and they're cute. But yes, we are going to get into this video. The rules is to keep it under 30 minutes. I've got my, Jake, go get my tablet. It's on my bed. Down, I don't think it's too dirty. If I see there's a mess, I might do that. But I need to hurry up and do that because there's dishes that needs to be done, and I want to get my bedroom clean and my laundry done. And if you can hear it, I just washed Aubrey's laundry. So yes, we're gonna set the timer on my tablet. Clock. 0:30. Okay, so starting. So here we go.
you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me? Burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just wanna know what your truth is. Will you be the one to break me out of this? I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me? So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me? Will you promise
Okay guys, so that literally took 10 minutes. I mean, the shelves and stuff aren't bad. Like, I have to clean the kitchen tomorrow anyway, so we're just gonna call that good. So literally guys, it doesn't take much to straighten up. It looks like I don't feed, like we don't have food, but my cabinets, and it's just us three, so it's just, and they technically eat for one adult, so it's hard to cook for just two, so I try to not keep as much so I'm not wasting like I did sour cream and everything. So, but yeah guys, so if you like this video and this gave you motivation, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me and want to come back for tomorrow, hit that, what is it?
Hit the feather.
Subscribe. Aubrey calls it the feather. Join our tribe. But hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos.
And also hit the feather.
Hit the feather.
Too.
The feather. So, yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, and go clean out your fridge. Bye, guys.
Bye.
You want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.
I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a